mid with Ashcroft.
Well, this is a man who needs no introduction. Everyone knows his name, and he keeps kicking goals as well. He can do it all, Will Ashcroft.
Campbell free, Ashcroft 50 out and closing right foot kick if you don't mind.
Wow.
Will.
That's all class, isn't it?
Across half back, they can't do so. That ball came out quickly from McKenzie. Now Ashcroft from 50 goes for goal, open, nice, and that is the class of Will Ashcroft. He kicks his first and a great start for Metro.
Ashcroft explodes away from the stoppage to Drury, to Ashcroft, kicks towards goal and floats through for an absolute beauty. There is your pick one favourite right there.
It's up with Curry. The Allies will get the first inside 50 of the second term, and again, it's just bouncing. It could go all the way. It does go all the way. Kircher into the corridor. Allies using it well at the moment. We go inside 50, a good stretch for the mark, and it is pulled down very nicely indeed. To run off his line, go by Hansen. Just got his kick out in time. Nice mark taken by Ralston for the Allies. Has that gone the required 15? Umpire right there.
25 goals, 11 for the Devils in the NAB League this year. The first goal of the day. Ball tossed in. Gonna go back inside 50. It looks like Fletcher is gone, and it might bounce through. It will.
Will come in to do battle with him. Fletcher laying the tackle on Hewitt. And the ball up forward for him. There's plenty of time left for either side here. Lawrence with a good tackle on Hagen. Apologies, but Nashville is injured. Part of him there as well for WA. Rogers doing battle on ground level with Hagen. Thanks to meterage there, the Allies. You can't really. They've been winning that one. Good snap toward goal here. That's good. That's a goal. Loose ball, Brain. That's 2 in a minute for the Allies.
Into the pocket. Nice mark taken by Brain. Tucked up against the boundary line. And he has threaded it through. Beautiful finish from Shadeau Brain. There's some space at half forward. Just needs to sit up for Ralston, which it does. And the kick inside 50 was delightful. Where Stevens in the area almost took it unopposed in the end. Murdoch tackled by Brain. Did well not to get into the back.
The ball is sent toward half forward here for WA. Or for the Allies rather. Has a man in the middle, Lloyd Johnston. Takes it in the circles, has Brain out wide. Plenty of space for Shadeau Brain as he goes inside 50. Those men right here, right now, Rogers. Sending the Allies towards half forward. Approaching the final minute to make it an 18-point ball game. Allies will win.